In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method on Hulu. To do this, what you're going to do is just type in hulu.com/account into a browser, and from there sign into your account. Now for me it does it automatically since I have a tab that is already signed in, but you will need to enter your email and password. And from there, if you are currently paying for a subscription, what you will be able to find from there is a section that says update payment method next to payment method. There, add your preferred payment method. If you're using PayPal, you will be redirected to submit your new form of payment and then brought back to Hulu to confirm. And after following those steps, click Save Changes. So again, just go to hulu.com/account, sign in, and here if you are currently paying and have added a payment method, from there you can click on Update Payment Method and then just add your new payment method and confirm it. So now you know how to change your Hulu payment method. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.